to my YouTube channel. We are going to be starting the series on .NET programming, specifically VB.NET, and we are going to be using Visual Studio 2019, and we are going to start with basic concepts and then some advanced topics in VB.NET. So let's get started. Bit of interface of Visual Studio.NET, and I have installed the 2019 version. In it we will go to new, then we will click project, and we have, you can see so many options here, like you can make console applications in Visual Basic and C#, ASP.NET application, class libraries you can make Azure functions, MS test, Windows presentation foundation, Windows form application, and there are so many things, so many options. Okay, another thing is that because I have installed extra packages, that's why I'm seeing all this information. So the basic one includes only Visual Basic, so it's totally up to you. See, shared project, Windows forms, and so on. So what we are going to do, we can search from here. We are going to create a Windows form application. You see, window forms application, but this first one is for C#. You can see we will select the one which is for Visual Basic.NET. So this is the one we are going to select. Then we will click next, and we will give the name of whatever we want to type the name, and when we click create, our project will here is the name. You can give any name of the project. Same would be the name of the solution, right? Project, inside project we can have many solutions which can have console application, Windows application, or any type of application. So if we are creating a Windows application right now, you can give it any name. I've already created it with the type with the name of try. So you can see right here on this window, this one which is showing right there. You can move it and so on. Here is the name. You can see this try, right? You can change the name. Then project, then it has by default a form is made which is known as form1.vb, which you people can see right here. This is the form, and this you can see right here. It is written design. So this is the design view of the form. We can design our form right here. For that we will go to view, and in here we will click toolbox. Then this toolbox will appear, and it has all the options that we can create. For example, I want to create a text box. I will search text box. Here we have this text box. Right here we have a text box. We will just click it, drag it to our form right there. So I drag 2, so here are 2. Then I can make a button. See, this is button, radio button. I want to create a simple button right here. I want to create a radio button right here, and so on. In this way you can add so many controls that you want to add in your program. And here you have the properties window, solution explorer, where you can see all the files in your solution. Plus, if I go to file, new project, you can create a new project or add a new file. For example, I want to create in Visual Basic. C# options are also available. Visual Basic also. I want to create a web form, a page, a web service, a class, a style sheet like CSS, JSX file, sitemap, JavaScript file, whatever you want to do, you can do here. You can add a class file, whatever you want. For right now, this is basically a window in which we have created a button and a radio button. To work in this, this is just the you can see the front end. So how we will do programming? For example, if I double click this text box, this file appears which is related. Now you can see this one is form1.vb and this one is form1.vb, but that was design view, and this is your basically coding view where you can do coding. Now private sub, masked text box, mask input, whatever it is, this is by default done. So this is basically the function. Sub is for function, subroutine. So this function is automatically created, and a class, public class form1. This form1 would be the same as the name of your this one, what do you say, the name of your file. You can change the name anytime. If you change the name, this will be changed, and if it is not changed, this is your responsibility to change the name. This is the rule. So first we have a class, a public class, end class, and then we have a subroutine for every element. For example, the second one, we'll double click. See, this is the function or subroutine of the first text box. This is for the second text box. For example, if you want to write a code that on typing or on clicking this text box something should happen and so on, so you can write the code right here. Just double click it, type the code here. Whatever you want to happen, whatever you want to display, it will display. No issues, no problem you will have. Then this text box 1 underscore text changed. As soon as you enter this text box, you will get this particular subroutine, and you will write code for that. Form application or Windows application, you can see, if you click this text box, you can see right here this particular properties one, right? It will appear here, or you can right click, and then if it's not appearing, click properties, it will come here. The important thing is here the name of this text box is text box 1. The name of this second text box is, you can see here, text box 2. Okay, and there are so many values and things that you can change. You can change the size of this one, and you can change the name of this, and there are so many things: multi-line, maximum length, height, character casing. You can change to uppercase, lowercase, and so on. You have so many options to do here. Text alignment, and many options that you